Pamilya, I need someone to help me with my spelling quiz bee competition. Anyone? I have a date. Matawag bebe ko. Hi, babe! ABCD lang alam ko. May laro ako. I'm dumb. May utos mama sa akin? May utos ka, di ba? Fine. Black will help me. Spell beautiful. Ulitin ko. Beautiful. Done. Correct. Dalawa ang iyo anak. Ang technique dyan ay beautiful. I got 3 points. You get 0. I'm liking this game. Last word na to, ha? Spell Mississippi. Easy. Uulitin ko. Mississippi. Done. Correct, Mark. Overall, ang score nyo ay 25. Ha! I won! Undefeated. You lose! Haha! I'm so ready to win the quiz bee. Goodbye, losers! Black, wait lang. Bakit ka nagpatalo? Magaling ka sa spelling ha. Marami ka ding alam na languages. English, Filipino, Spanish at Latin. Ano na naman yung kalokohan mo ha? It's okay to lose, Black. I can teach you sometimes if you wanna get better, even just a little. Don't beat yourself up. If it helps, no one can beat me in anything. Tara, basketball. Lalampasuhin kita. That's not counted. I'm a child. I'm physically weak. It's not my fault. If you want, Black, since I pity you, we can play again. No, it's fine. Before we can play again, you can ask an AI or some apps to train you. I don't know any of them since I don't need it. I heard it online. Said they're good for the brain like yours. Ooh, low. You know, if you beat me, if that day would ever come, ha 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 ha, you can have whatever you want. Uh-oh. Ang mechanics ng game ay unang makalimang points ang siyang panalo. Uulitin lang namin ng 2 beses ang word at dapat tapos na kayong magsulat in 5 seconds. Maliwanag ba? This is gonna be good. Matalo sana si Mark. Kinakabahan ako. Nakaka-excite! Sana bati na sila pagkatapos. Okay, first word. Accommodate. Uulitin ko ha. Accommodate. Sabay tataas ang board in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Parehong tama. Parehong may 1 point. Mas nakakatakot pala ito panoodin kaysa sa horror films. Next word. Nauseous. Isa pa. Nauseous. Itaas ang board in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tama ulit kayong dalawa. Tie with 2 points each. Tumataas balahibo.